Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are here again with the continuing video presentation for the W57 Smartwatch. Okay, so this time we are going to focus on the watch faces for the wearable. Okay, so we are already paired with the support app. The support app is the Watch Pro app available in Android and iOS. Okay, here in the W57, it is already preloaded with several watch faces, as you can see here. So let's start and check. We have this one, two, three, four. I like this one. Five. This is animated. Okay, at least 5 watch faces are available in the support app. Okay, you can either long press to change, you can see here, or just use the much easier way. Okay, just rotate the crown button here. Okay, so we have at least 5 preloaded watch faces available for the smartwatch. But before we go to downloading watch faces, okay, let me show you how the bedside lamp mode works. Okay, we have here on the settings. Okay, let's go to the settings first. Okay, settings, we have, I forgot, dimming. That's not the one. Okay, 60 seconds. Okay, here, okay, we have the bedside lamp mode. Okay, so we already activated. Okay, turn it on. Okay, so you can check this, or this one works when you are charging your smartwatch. Okay, let me show it to you. Okay, we have here the magnetic charging cable. Okay, when you charge your wearable, okay, let me fix it. As you can see here, okay, a new watch face is activated. Okay, and if it's on this position, okay, you see a normal watch face here, but when you put it on its side, as you can see here, the bedside lamp mode is activated. Okay, I hope this one works without charging the wearable. So to be able to see the bedside lamp mode, you need to connect it with a charger. Okay, somewhat like an alarm or your personal, okay, alarm clock or watch, okay, at night. Okay, you can still see the time here even though you turned off the lights. Okay, so it's a pretty neat feature here. Okay, so this one, it goes back to a normal state. Okay, so on the side, okay, it goes on the landscape mode for the watch face. Okay, that is how the bedside lamp works. Okay, so let's go back to the watch face for the wearable. Okay, so here in the support app, go to your device. Again, the support app is the High M Active Pro app. Okay, go to the dial manager. Okay, and we have here a list of watch faces. Some are for sale. Okay, for example, this one, 0.99 USD. We have here the free watch faces, as you can see here. So let's try and check whether we can install or download the watch face. So let's have this one. It's a high resolution watch face. Okay, tap on install. Right, it's now downloading. Okay, let's see. We are downloading 27, 28. Okay, we don't have the exact weight or capacity of the watch face here. I guess more than 80 something. So 77 kb, 80. Okay, I think it's more than 100 here. Okay, so it's now updating our smartwatch. As you can see here, over the air update 0%. We have a progress bar here. Okay, let's see. 15%. Okay, downloading 28, 29, 32. Let's see. Hopefully we can download it right away. Okay, and we'll check if there's a custom watch face for the W57 Smartwatch. Okay, 68, 70%. Okay, we are on almost done. Okay, just wait. 94, 5, and let's see. Okay, we have successfully downloaded the watch face for our W57 smartwatch. We also have a animated watch face here. Okay, so there's a lot of options for the watch face here, and seems like we do have a custom watch face also. Okay, let's go back. Okay, where's that custom watch face? Okay, so we have here a custom watch face. So let's try. Okay, let's select a photo, go to gallery, and let's just pick any image here. Okay, okay, and we have here. Okay, let's check first font color. Let's change below. Okay, so since everything works, select. Oh, you have to change the color and the location first before you pick an image. Again, let's go back. Crop photos. Okay, and install. Let's see. Again, we have over the air update again for the watch face. Let's see if we'll have a successful installation of the custom watch face for W57 smartwatch. Okay, again, we have already downloaded a free watch face for the smartwatch. We tested the bedside lamp mode, and now we are going with a custom watch face for the W57 smartwatch. Okay, seems like we are stuck on the 40%. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so 42, 43, and now it's going fast. Okay, let's wait. Hopefully we'll have a successful installation of the watch face. Okay, we're almost 80%, 84, 85, and we are okay. We have successfully downloaded or installed the custom watch face for our W57 smartwatch. So far everything works for the watch face section for the W57 smartwatch. Okay, we did not encounter any issues at all, and we have a lot of free watch faces here available for the wearable, including watch faces that are quality but is for sale. We have become a member to enjoy more benefits here. Okay, you also have a membership to get more quality watch faces for your smartwatch. Okay, so that's it for the installation of the watch faces, okay, for the W57 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable or this demo, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Goodbye.